We all know sales is the bloodline of any business, and your sales team is the most valuable asset in your business. I want to ask a very simple question. How many hours your sales rep spends time on doing repetitive tasks? Well, you like it or not, here's the truth. Sales rep spends more than 65% of their time doing non-revenue generating tasks. Think about it, that's two-thirds of their day. They need to concentrate on generating their revenue, not writing a follow-up email or not entering data in CRMs manually or not constantly juggling in millions of things like responding to your old leads, following up with your old leads, and qualifying the prospect and scheduling appointments. This feels they are spending more time on a repetitive task than actually closing a deal, because sales should be like connecting with prospect and closing deals, but instead it became a graveyard of doing admin works. If you want to increase your sales team performance by reducing their manual work, adding their AI employees, well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Sell with AI, where we help business to increase the sales conversion using insightful strategies and tips. We are on a mission to implement AI employees and build your own AI sales team inside your business. In this video, we will explore how AI employees are changing the game and saving your sales team 20 hours of time every week. Okay, I'll break down the exact task that AI employee can take off your plate. I will show you how this impacts your sales pipeline, and I will give you a clear picture of what this looks like in action. If you're running a sales team or managing one, you don't want to miss this episode. Let's dive in. First, we need to understand why our sales teams are so overwhelmed in the first place. Let's get into reality, guys, of what's holding sales team back. The majority of the sales reps day is not spent on revenue generating activities like pitching or negotiating. Instead, their time is consumed by repetitive and time wasting tasks that does not lead to sales. Just for example, rep spends hours every week on responding to inquiries, following up with leads, qualifying prospects, or scheduling calls or meeting with your team, or doing manual entries in your CRMs. But the question is, how many hours your sales team is spending doing these non-revenue generating tasks? Let's say if you have a 5 reps, okay? And each rep spends 20 hours per week doing all these repetitive works. So that's like 100 hours per week your business is losing revenue. All these tasks are essential, but they are not the best use of your sales team's time. They convert warm leads into paying customers. This constantly leads to the burnout, efficiency, and missed opportunity of your sales team. I'll show you how AI employee actually works and what it can able to save for your team. An AI employee acts like a virtual assistant. I want to tell you before starting this, AI employee, it is not here to replace your human employees. It is like your sales team in steroids. Your sales team can able to perform more. Your sales team can able to generate money. And that's how this AI employee will come in. It will help your sales team grow their productivity. Here's exactly how AI employee help your sales teams reclaim over 20 hours every week. The first one is lead response in a real time. The first thing AI employee handle is responding to new leads immediately. When a lead submit a form, sends a message, or makes an inquiry, the AI employee jumps into action within second. It sends a personalized response, acknowledge their inquiries, and providing the next step. This eliminate hours of your time that would spend drafting, sending these response doing manually by a sales team. It also ensures no lead is left waiting, which keeps them engaged and interested. Think about it. What happens if a lead submit a form? AI employee directly calls your lead within 5 minutes. Boom, the conversion has been quite high. It will be more high to your business. And that is the power of AI employee. And second benefit of using AI employee is automated follow-up. Following up with a lead is one of the most time-consuming tasks for any sales team. Believe it or not, 25 to 35% of one sales rep time will be going with the follow up. An AI employee sends timely and personalized follow up to every lead who does not respond right away, whether it's a gentle nudge after 24 hours, a value driven email. AI ensures no leads fall through the crack, because this AI employee, it helps you to do all the automation works, where if your prospect wants to be called in next 24 hours, it directly calls them. If they want to send an email, it sends them. WhatsApp, it does everything, while AI employee can able to do all the hard work tasking, where your team can able to save almost 25 to 30 percentage of their time per day. The third one is lead qualification. Not all leads are created equal, and qualifying them can take a lot of time, where AI employee can ask leads basic qualifying questions such as budget, timeline, the specific needs, what's their goal, what's the goal for their next quarters. So based on their response, it determines whether the lead is a good fit or not, because it's integrated with your CRM. The leads are passed to your sales team for the immediate action, while unqualified leads are routed to the nurturing sequence. This means your sales team spends less time chasing cold leads and more time focusing on high potential prospects. The fourth one is appointment scheduling. So coordinated schedule is another major time waste for your sales time, because business gets no shows and cancellation often at this point of time, right? AI employee takes care of all of them entirely. It syncs with your team's calendar, offers available time slots to your lead, books meeting automatically. It also sends confirmation message to reminder to reduce no shows. This ensures your calendar is always up to date, where your sales team can able to follow up with a new lead. That means AI employee can follow up with your new leads and re-engage with the prospect who does not shows up, and it can help your business to generate more revenue on doing the appointment settings. And finally, your CRM data management. Manually logging data in your CRM is very boring task. It's very crucial for any business. You need to keep update on all the employees. You need to keep update on all the leads. Every interaction that AI has with the lead, whether it's a message, call, or email, it automatically logs in your CRM. Your team has accurate, up to date records without lifting a finger. This not only saves the time but also improve your efficiency, because your sales team has all the informations they need to make a smarter decision. To conclude, AI employee is not just in another tool or a SaaS tool. It's like hiring a team member that works for you 24 by 7. It never takes a break, or it thrives on repetitive tasks, things like scheduling, follow up, qualifying leads, appointment, whatever you name it, managing CRMs, lead qualifications, lead response. It can able to do everything. This means AI employees almost saving 20 plus hours per week for your sales team. And with that 20 hours of time, your sales team can reinvest into strategies and relationship building and closing high ticket deals for your business. I want to tell you, AI does not only save time, it also improve accuracy, no missed follow-ups. You can't able to miss the follow-up because AI employee does it himself without human errors. Business using AI employees are reporting significant improve across the board, because we recently implemented this system in a real estate agent and a marketing agency, and the sales teams are closing more deals because they have more time to focus on high value activities. And furthermore, response time have dropped from hours to second, which keeps leads engaged and improve the conversion rate for the marketing agency we implemented. What happens if you implemented this AI employee in your sales team? Let's say your sales teams are closing more deals because they have more time to focus on high value activities. Furthermore, the response time will be dropping from hours to second, which keeps leads engaged and improve your conversion rate. As a result, your calendars will be full qualified leads, and high potential appointments are booked inside the calendar. That leads to the high close rate for your sales team. This will definitely increase the efficiency of your sales team's morale, and reps feels like they are less overwhelmed and they'll be more productive. That will reduce the burnout and turnarounds. So here's the takeaway. If your sales team is drowning in repetitive tasks and losing time that could be spent closing deals, AI employee is the solution you need. It's not about replacing your team. It's about empowering them to do what they do best while AI handles everything else. Because this is like your sales team on steroid. And if you're ready to give your team back 20 hours a week and increase your revenue for your business, there's a link in the description. Book a call with our team. I'll walk you through how you can able to implement AI employee for your business to increase your sales conversions. Thanks for listening, guys. See you in the next episode. Happy selling.